Hello, my name is Jordan Middleton. For my author study in my children's literature class, I chose Anna Dewdney. I'm going to go through a PowerPoint that I created over her life and some of the books that she recorded before we get into reading the book. So this is Anna Dewdney by Jordan Middleton. Who is Anna Dewdney? There is a picture of her on the right-hand side. Anna is an American author who writes and illustrates her own children's picture books. Anna was born on Christmas Day in New York City, New York. She died in her home in Chester, Vermont on September 3rd, 2016. Anna married Reed Duncan, who is also an American author, and they had two daughters together, Beryl and Cordelia. Anna, in her free time, loved writing, painting, and gardening, and she published her first Llama Llama book in 2005. Some interesting facts about Anna. Before Anna was a writer, she was a teacher and a rural mail carrier. Anna was a teacher at an all-boys boarding school. Llama Llama Red Pajama was the first book that Anna wrote. And Anna died at 50 years old in her home in Vermont from over a year-long battle with brain cancer. And off to the side, there's a picture of her with her first published book and her reading to a child. So a few of the books that Anna wrote were the Llama Llama series. She wrote a book called Animalicious, Little Excavator, Nellie New and Daddy 2, which Nellie New and Daddy 2 is part of the Llama Llama series, but Nellie New is the main character instead of Llama Llama. She wrote Roly Poly Pangolin, Grumpy Gloria, which is about a grumpy bulldog, and the dogs that her family had were bulldogs. And then another one she wrote is called No Bunny's Perfect. Okay, some of the Llama Llama characters that you will see throughout the books. The first picture to the left is Llama Llama. Llama Llama is the main character in the series. Mama Llama, which is Llama Llama's mom, she is seen in Llama Llama's Mama, Llama Llama Red Pajama, Llama Llama Loves to Read, and Llama Llama Mrs. Mama. Those are just a few that she is a part of. The third picture is a picture of Nellie New. Nellie New is seen in Nellie New and Daddy 2, more Nellie New in Llama Llama Time to Share. And the last picture is of Graham and Grandpa, and I believe the screen might be cutting off on Grandpa, but they are seen in the book Llama Llama, Graham and Grandpa. Okay, so off to the left is a picture of the book cover, Llama Llama Red Pajama, which is the book that I will be reading today. The author is Anna Dewdney, and she's also the illustrator of this book. Llama Llama Red Pajama was published by Penguin Young Readers Group, and the copyright date is 2015. The book summary. I'm going to move this over a little bit. Llama Llama Red Pajama is a rhyming children's book. In this book, baby llama is ready for bed, tucked in by Mama Llama. When Mama Llama goes downstairs, Llama Llama gets pretty worried and begins to whimper. He calls for her, and Mama Llama doesn't come right away, and after he whimpers for a little while longer, he begins to yell for her, and she comes running in to help him get more comfortable and settled in for bed. Why is this a good book for children? Children can relate to Llama Llama Red Pajama, as all children need reassurance and comfort from their parents. Parents can also relate to this book from the message that Mama Llama gives to her little one. The Llama Llama books are filled with rhymes, which give children an early start with learning their rhyming words. Okay, some of the awards that her Llama Llama books have received were just the New York Times best-selling books. Most of her books fell into that category. And Anna has an award that goes out every year to the best children's picture book. Okay, so the activity that I chose today for the Llama Llama Red Pajama book is called Llama Llama Rhyme O-Rama. I found this on Anna Dudney's website in her activities. This book is for children at the kindergarten age. Llama Llama books are filled with rhymes. For the activity that I chose, the students will work as a group with the teacher to fill in the blanks with rhyming words. This will give the students an opportunity to take turns with each other and work as a team. So if you look over here at the Llama Llama Rhyme-O-Rama, some of the examples are Llama Llama loves his mama. And then for the next one, it says pick a word that rhymes with play. And the babysitter has come to play. I hope that she brings a bag of blank. And then you fill in the word that rhymes with play. These are the references that I got my information from. The llamalamabook.com is Anna Dudney's website. The second resource that I got was from the New York Times, and the third resource was Every Child a Reader. And here is the book bibliography for the book that I am reading next. Okay, so the book that I'm reading today is Llama Llama Red Pajama by Anna Dudney. Here's the first page. Llama Llama Red Pajama reads a story with his mama. Mama kisses baby's hair. Mama Llama goes downstairs. Llama Llama Red Pajama feels alone without his mama. Baby Llama wants a drink. Mama's at the kitchen sink. Llama Llama Red Pajama calls down to Llama Mama. Mama says she'll be up soon. Baby Llama hums a tune. Llama Llama Red Pajama waiting for his mama. Mama isn't coming yet. Baby Llama starts to fret. Llama Llama Red Pajama whimpers softly for his mama. Mama Llama hears the phone. Baby Llama starts to moan. Llama Llama Red Pajama listens quiet for his mama. What is Mama Llama doing? Baby Llama starts boo-hooing. Llama Llama Red Pajama hollers loudly for his mama. Baby Llama stomps and pouts. Baby Llama jumps and shouts. Llama Llama Red Pajama in the dark without his mama. Eyes wide open, covers drawn. What if Mama Llama's gone? Llama Llama Red Pajama weeping, wailing for his mama. Will his mama ever come? Mama Llama, run, run, run. This next page just shows Mama running into the room all frantic. Baby Llama, what a tizzy. Sometimes Mama's very busy. Please stop all this llama drama and be patient for your mama. Little llama, don't you know, mama loves you. Don't you know, mama llama loves you so. Mama llama's always near, even if she's not right here. Llama llama red pajama gets 2 kisses from his mama. Snuggles pillows soft and deep. Baby llama goes to sleep. An interesting fact about this book before I quit recording, right here it says that it is now a Netflix original series. So they turned this book into a series. Thank you.